We're going to do a short second flight with the MD Hobby E0717. Actually, we was flying that on high rates last time, which is probably why it wasn't reacting the way I wanted. I think I'm going to give it a little bit of trim on the elevator to keep it down a little bit. You can see it rocking. The wind's gotten a little higher, so I'm going to run this on the low rate setting that I had, and we'll see how that goes. So high rates was good. Here we go. It's on a 2300 battery. Whoa, not sure I'm liking this though. There we go. That wind was kicking up. Yeah, it's kicking up a tremendous amount. We're going to bring her down and I'm going to go around again and get it down lower. Wind is just a little much, I think, for this. There we go. Bring it down. Little bounce, but we're down. Not bad. Fairly happy. That's full rates. That's half rates. That's interesting. I'm going to try one more thing, I think. The wind had died down for a second. Now it kicks back up. So I will bring it back down again. You can see it moving all over the place. And a good landing. I'm going to bring it around to the right. Taxi around to the right. Oop. And we'll take it back to the car. I guess I gotta go around the back side of the... Oops. Having a little bit of trouble taxiing to the left. And I'll have to go pick her up.